Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track contact form 7 using Google Tag Manager and send it as a GA4 event. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get it started. So we'll be basically setting up contact form 7 for this website. So I have already created a contact form 7 page for this landing page. Okay. So if you don't know how to create a contact form 7, then you can search on YouTube or Google, then you will get to know how to do that. Okay, perfect. So you'll see the form available here, like my name, email, subject, and message. And whenever I submit the message, then it will show me a pop-up message. So let me show you. Yeah. So thank you for your message. It has been sent. So how we can basically track this using Google Tag Manager. So in this video, I'll show you this. Okay. So you can see over here, I have already created a tag manager account and connected with this page. Okay. And additionally, I have a GA4 property. Okay. Perfect. So first of all, what we need to do is let's preview it. Okay. So you need to provide your contact form 7 page URL over here. Then I'll click on connect. Perfect. Then let's submit this form and see what happens. Test. So I'm gonna click on this submit button and let's go to the tag assistant. Then you can see over here, no events are firing over there. So what we need is if someone submit this form, then we'll have a custom event like CF7, something like that. And using this event, we are going to be creating a custom event, custom trigger. Then using the trigger, we are going to be creating a GA4 CF7 lit tag. Okay. So first of all, we need to insert this code in our custom HTML tag, okay? So that this event fires. So you can see the event name WPCF7, something like that, success form submit, okay? So let's do that first. So we'll go to the tag manager and create a custom HTML tag. So you can name it as custom HTML CF7, or you can name it as per your requirements, but I think this one is preferable for me. So I'll be navigating to the custom HTML section and I'm gonna copy this code. So if you need this code, I can provide this code in the description box. Okay. Then I'll provide the code over HTML section, and as the triggering, I'll trigger it as all pages. Okay. Perfect. Now let's preview it and see whether this event fires on the tag assistant section or not. Okay, perfect. So we have come to our contact form 7 page section. Then we're going to be submitting the form by clicking on this submit button. Let's go to the tag assistant. Then you can see a custom event has fired. So if I go to the data layer, then you can see the event name. So what I'll be basically doing is I'm going to be copying this event name and I'll go to the trigger section and I'll be creating a custom trigger. Okay. So I'll be going to the custom event section because this is a custom event and we can name this event as CF7 custom event, or you can name it as per your requirements, no worries. So I'm gonna hit save. Then we'll go to the tag section and we're gonna be creating a tag for our GA4 event. So I can name the event like this: GA4 event CF7 form submission. Perfect. And as the tag configuration, we're going to be choosing Google Analytics GA4 event. And as the measurement ID, we're going to be selecting GA4 Google tag because we have already created this tag. And you can see the green signal Google tag found in this container. And the event name would be CF7 form submission. Okay, CF7 underscore form underscore submission. Okay, perfect. I'll not be passing any event parameters. And as the triggering, I'll be trigger it as CF7 custom event. So I'll click on save. Now I'll go to the analytics debug view section so that I can see this event real time. Okay, so I'm gonna enable the debug view mode and then I'll preview this again. So I'm gonna hit preview button and I'll provide the contact form 7 page URL and hit connect. Just wait a little bit. It is loading. Okay, so the form appears. Now I'll fill up the form details. Okay, perfect. And I'll hit the submit button and let's go to the tag assistant. Then you can see over here GA4 event CF7 form submission has fired one time. And you can see this event appear over there. Now let's go to the analytics and see, you can see CF7 form submission has fired. So yeah, this is how you can set up contact form 7 using Google Tag Manager and send it as one of our GA4 lead events. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page, and additionally, if you need any Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics for Google Ads, Meta Ads, server-side tagging services, then you can contact us. We have provided our WhatsApp number, or you can directly come to our website or mail us. You can ping us on WhatsApp and you can send your details about your requirements. Then we can work together. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. You have a good day. Bye bye.